everyone, today, I'll explain in an easy to understand way how to sign up for Binance, one of the world's leading crypto futures exchanges, and how to trade futures step by step. First, let me explain how to create a Binance account. Please install the Binance app on your mobile device. And once the installation is complete, open the app. To sign up, tap the sign up button. Choose either an email address or a mobile phone number and enter it to create your account. Check the agreement box below, and tap continue. A verification code will then be sent to the email or phone number you entered. Please enter the verification code you received. Next, set your password. Your password must be at least 8 characters long, and include at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, and numbers. You will then be taken to the inviter registration screen. At this step, you must select Yes. A referral ID input field will appear. Please make sure to enter BB333 here. By doing so, you will receive a 20% trading fee discount on Binance, along with various bonus rewards. Next, we move on to the identity verification process. To use deposits, withdrawals, and trading on Binance, identity verification is mandatory. First, select your nationality. Then proceed with identity verification. From the list of ID types shown below, select one ID that you currently have. I will choose a passport as an example. Next, tap Take Pictures. Align your passport with the camera frame, and scan the information page. Then align your face with the camera. Nod your head, and blink your eyes as instructed. Once this process is complete, your identity verification request will be submitted. The verification review will usually be completed within about 1 hour. When you check again later, you will be able to see that your identity verification has been completed. Next, I'll explain how to set up Google Security Authentication. Return to the home screen, and tap the Binance logo in the top left corner. Then tap the arrow icon in the top right corner. To set up security, tap Security. Here, we'll proceed with setting up the Authenticator app. Tap Enable. A verification code will be sent to your email or phone number. Enter the verification code you receive. You will then be taken to the Authenticator setup screen. On this screen, you can see Binance's 16-digit key. Please copy this key. Now install Google Authenticator on your phone. And once the installation is complete, open the app. Tap the plus button in the bottom right corner. And select Enter a setup key. For code name, enter Binance. For your key, paste the 16-digit key you copied from Binance. Tap Add. And a 6-digit code will be generated under the name Binance. Please copy this 6-digit code. Return to the Binance app. And tap the next button at the bottom. Paste the copied 6-digit code into the Authenticator app code field. Your Google security setup is now successfully completed. Now, to proceed with futures trading on Binance, let's switch the screen to Pro mode. Go to the Binance home screen. Tap the Binance logo in the top left corner. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a button labeled Binance Pro. Tap this button, and you'll see that the Binance interface switches to Pro mode. Second, let me explain how to deposit coins into Binance. There are several ways to deposit coins into Binance. In this video, I'll explain the peer-to-peer trading method. First, tap Assets at the bottom right corner of the screen. At the top menu, you'll see several types of wallets. The Futures wallet is used for futures trading. The Spot wallet is used for deposits, withdrawals, and spot trading. To deposit coins, tap Spot. Next, tap Add Funds. When the deposit method selection screen appears, choose Peer-to-Peer. You'll then be taken to the peer-to-peer trading screen. Tap the button in the top right corner to select the currency you want to use. To buy coins, select Buy mode at the top. Tap the button below to choose the coin you want to purchase. USDT is commonly used. Next, tap the adjacent button to enter the purchase amount. Then tap the next button to select a payment method. You'll then see a list of advertisers below. For safer transactions, it's recommended to choose advertisers with high trading volume and high completion rates. Once you've chosen an advertiser, tap Buy. Some advertisers may require identity verification. After that, enter the purchase amount and select the payment method. Before proceeding, be sure to check the advertiser's info. Once confirmed, tap Place Order. The advertiser's payment details will then be displayed. Before making the transfer, be sure to check the advertiser's chat. After double-checking the account details, proceed with the payment. Once the payment is complete, tap Upload Payment Proof. You must upload at least one payment proof. Then check the agreement box below and tap Transferred, notify seller. Once the advertiser confirms the payment, the coins will be deposited into your spot wallet shortly. Third, let me explain how to trade futures on Binance. To trade futures on Binance, you must first transfer coins from your spot wallet to your futures wallet. Tap Spot Wallet. Then tap Transfer to move coins to the futures wallet. Set the transfer direction to Spot Wallet, to USDM Futures. Select the coin, and enter the transfer amount. After a short moment, the coins will be transferred to the futures wallet. To start futures trading, tap Futures at the bottom right corner. You'll then be taken to the futures trading screen. Tap the button in the top left corner to select the coin you want to trade. Tap the button below to set the margin mode. Cross uses all available margin to open positions, while isolated uses only a portion of the margin. If you're new to trading, isolated mode is recommended for safety. Tap the adjacent button to set leverage. Leverage can be set up to a maximum of 150x. Higher leverage increases potential profits, but also increases the risk of losses. If you're new, it's safer to start with low leverage. Next, tap the button to choose the position direction. If you expect the price to rise, select Buy. If you expect the price to fall, select Sell. Here, you can see your available margin. Tap the button below to select the order type. Limit allows you to place an order at a specific price, while Market places an order at the current market price. Set your order price and trade quantity here. Once everything is set, confirm the direction again and select Buy Long or Sell Short. After the order is filled, tap Positions to view your open position. ROI shows your current return on investment. Entry price is the price at which you entered the position. Mark price is the current market price. Leak price is the liquidation price, and when this price is reached, your position will be automatically liquidated. Tap the TPSL button to set your take profit and stop loss prices. Finally, tap the Close button to exit your position. Market closes the position at the current market price, while Limit closes it at a specified price. Enter the closing price and quantity. Then tap Confirm. Your position will be fully closed. Today, I explained in an easy way how to sign up for Binance, and how to trade futures on one of the world's leading crypto futures exchanges. If you have any questions while watching the video, please leave a comment and I'll respond as quickly as possible. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you for watching until the end.